Hi there, welcome to my new video about cactus. I've never grown a cactus before. I've never even owned a cactus before. But I was in Home Depot the other day and I was looking around the plant section because I'm really needing some enjoyment because we're under a bunch of snow right now. Anyways, I got some cactuses and we're gonna plant this up. So what I've done is I bought some cactus, palm, and succulent soil. I have a container and I've got some cactuses. I have looked up how to look after them, what type I have, because all it says on it is assorted cactus. Well, that doesn't help me. Anyways, I Googled a bunch of different places that tell you what kind of cactuses there are, and I'm winging it. I think I know what they are. This one is Haworthia. I've got my notes here. This one I think is a Haworthia. I don't know what kind of Haworthia, but it just says assorted succulents. This one I think is called a Moon Cactus, and I just love the color of that. Orange is one of my favorite colors. And this little wee one, I think it's called an old man cactus. Now, if you know, let me know. So we're going to try this. I watched a bunch of helpful videos on how to plant them, and they used tongs because they actually are very prickly, and I've got a few pricks in my fingers already. So I think I need more. I think I'm going to plant the big one first. That is quite large. And it's very dry. And I don't even know if this is going to fit in here. It's quite big. I'm going to knock some of the dirt off into this pot. Just take it down a bit into the soil level. Take some of the roots off. I think that's better. I'm going to put it closer to the back here and push this soil in. I'm going to need some more. So I was looking up about cactus and how to look after them. I got some really good info on Google, and it says how to look after them, light requirements, the whole kit and caboodle. So during the spring and summer, you're supposed to water it every 2 to 4 weeks. And then in the fall and winter, every 4 to 6 weeks. And you just water it sparingly. And that is something I'm going to be struggling with because I like to have my plants watered. And you're supposed to use a cactus and succulent special soil because it'll help it drain. And it likes to be in a bright, sunny window, but indirect, like a south-facing window. And you're to avoid extreme temperature changes, which I don't have a problem with that. I might have a problem with the bright sunny window because we have a huge covered deck, so we get a lot of indirect light. So I don't know if it's going to work or not, but I'm going to be putting it in a south window that gets just a little bit of light until about 2 in the afternoon, and then that's it. And if not, it'll have to go under the grow lights that I'm getting. Signs of underwatering. They get shriveled, which is kind of sad. So I hope that doesn't happen. I'll have to get some more dirt. And this one is so cool. It just looks like a little fuzzy Q-tip. And it is very prickly. So I'm going to lift it up with my tongs and place it in. And I'm going to get a bit more dirt. I had to put my dogs out in the front room because apparently something is worth barking at and there is nothing outside. So I think I'm just going to move that one over a bit and maybe tilt it a bit. I'm really liking these. And the signs of overwatering are yellowing or softened stems, fungus or mold growth, and root rot. And I hope that doesn't happen here. I'm going to have to be very vigilant about not overwatering. I just think these pots are so cute. Well, here it is. I've planted it up. Now I'm going to finish up with some pretty little pieces of gravel that I got at the dollar store. And I'm just going to sprinkle them all over. Can you see? Just to clean it up, keep everything looking nice. And I'm going to finish it up. I got some crystals out of my rock collection, and I'm going to put them on. I have this beautiful little heart, and it's a beautiful crystal. It's a special kind. I forget what it is, but I'm going to put the heart right in the middle, and then my other crystals around, just to give it some interest. I'm going to give it a little dash of water because it's February 1st and we're not supposed to water it that much. Anyways, here it is, the final look. Anyways, thank you for joining. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye.